Yeah, sanibona guys. Nangibona lana ngilele mani ngivukile. Oh, by the way, this is my second vlog. Vlogs with Mhlangabeze. So yeah, ngiyavuka lana guys, and I'm going to brush my teeth. Obviously, cabanga ukuthi isikhathini 3. Mvuka 3 only because of we cross 9 ngakhona kulala. And I'm sure you're gonna be asking yourself ukuthi why ngithi ngimi Mhlangabeze. So guys, ligama lelo ngilithole on my first year Apollo, UFS. Ngabita Machita. This guy Neo angibita like this other guy, not Lona Levi. This guy ati, yeah, Mhlangabeze. Yeah, so like sometimes wangibita ngamhlanganisi futhi. Yo guys, I will tell you a lot about my first year, but we need to proceed with today's agenda. So like anyway, I'm going to brush my teeth here, guys, because like I have a lot of work to do. And corner this person, like, okay, she's a friend, and I know no question about why am I having a female friend over. Yo guys, she's a friend, this one. So like I'm not gonna explain food because like why should I explain? It doesn't matter how. And in fact, guys, ningang soli, ningang chill, ngiyachita, whatever. How? Okay, so yeah, and I know Futi, she doesn't look like a girl, but yeah, she's a girl. Book, that's him fun. Yes, says yet me never can nabo. Ay. Anyway, guys, yeah, I want to figure it out because of a charger, laptop, and what's this, phone. Yeah, and he began to test it today. So one gap all these days, very. And then I'm excited ngiyabhala ngalesi tough. So like today kahle ilanga lami busy kakhulu because kufuna ngiprepare ngistudy what. Yeah, so fast ingane wami lungile uboleka laptop lana ngihamba ngomniketa. So yeah, ngihamba lana nguye lona nje nginokho endlini yakhe lana. Mlungile naye is a girl. Ningangibuthi ma question. Fuck you. Okay. Lungile is a girl. Nangoke lana ngifike ngibeke laptop la empedeni wakhe. Sabi camera ke lo guys. Like okay, like akayisabi because it's no shooter naye. Yabo yathi fihla bu nani bangane nginabo. Yeah guys, anyway, buka le sign but bo Women's Day. Women can, Women's Day. Kuyenda nje isense lokho. Yini lobo? Hey. Fuck off ngako man guys. Hey. Anyway, ngiyahamba mina ke nyalo lana ngiyamshiya na Women's Can, Women's Day wakhona. Nokuthi uchaza kuthina ngikwadi Women's Day inini yona vele. Asada sikho lapho guys. Fast lana sengiyahamba ngiye-rest cause umngane wami Kanyiso ngitshele ukuthi kufuna si-studishe emini cause besiplan ukuthi so cross night but ke we decided to change things cause like isikhathi besingavumi yabona. So ngi-library lana guys. Yeah, I know, fast forward whatever, this is my way. I'm still on my way to a library again. Ayibona na building yakhona ikhulu kangakanani. Yeah, ngiyahamba guys. Le moto leya le pink leya kumbe purple kumbe njani ngicolor blind ihlala ipakile lapha. Yeah, so fast forward again ngise-library la busy confused. Le ndoda ibhizi pho ngibuta ama-question then mina ngathini mina ngitela ukuthi ongifundisa wona ngibhizi pho ngibuta ama-question ayinani. Yes yathi lo muntu lo mina kuneke ukuthi angiside ungibuta ama-question ubuta mina ukuthi ngiphendule. Anyway, fast sesicedzile kufunza lana guys, siyaphuma siyogibela nakuloke lento yathi lento le ngisakhula man bengisithi into abantu laba rich elevator. Nayibona into ligama la elevator mina ngikhula ngikubita ukuthi cash. Yo madoda nkosi yami. Hey, mhlanga lo sesikhuphukile guys, like isigibela nema cash. Madoda phela manje mangigibela la nethi le ngithusa nginceke ukuthi ngigibelile mina ngiva ngasimathumba amayakhuphuka guys. Kuyanendekela nini lokho? Nani siyahlekelela nemngane wami la cause sigibela i-cash. Anyway, fast sesiyaphuma ke lana siku-exit nango yastaka la kule turnstile yakhona kumbe yini or whatever. Sesibuka nangu lobunye umshini webelungu phela basiyini the vending machine. Simile la sibuke yona like ufuna kuthenga but akayithembi because ucabanga ukuthi ngeke imnike intshintshi yakhe. Ngiyamathi lo uyayithanda imali ustinje kakhulu phela tolwisa lo mshini aza ayikhipha imali ngenkani. Yeah, anyway, sengiyahamba lana ngiyi-1 mina ngengcana nebantu bayahlabela la guys. Ngitanivisa ukuthi bahlabela bathini lana manje inkinga ukuthi ngisengakakhoni nami lokhu editha kahle yabona. So like bear with me guys, one day ngidakhona and ngidakhona kunivisa nikuthi bani bathini lana, but at least manje sengiyakhona ukufaka i-theme song, so at least yabo. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I'm getting closer like to a res parking lot lena guys. Yeah man, yo ngi-stressed ngalesikhathi lesi, like isifunza kuze kube late guys. Iyo first le i-low lena, yo ziyakhala lana, akunakuphumula for umfundzi we-low. Niyayibona nje lento. Yo hayi guys, sengihambe emkhathini kwema-res ethu ke. I-res yami la ka-right. Ya-right i-res yami guys. And I don't know la ukuthi like why ngikayihambisi fast le video la. Fast ke sengilanza i-laptop from Lungile yabona, because I had an assignment to do. Manje I'm going out and then fasting ngisendlini tindishi nato kungcolile guys, kungcolile. Like I have to work on my things. Ngiwasha ngesef futhi kuse-res la asinama dishwashing liquid la, siwasha ngesef nangeligongolo. Ngeligogo ngiyadlala guys, asiwashi ngamagongolo la, but yeah poverty ngibambile man, ngiwasha ngesef insipho nakubuka la. Yeah guys, bese ngitopheka lana but ngeke nginikhombe ukuthi ngiphekani because ngiyongihleka nini ngidla imbhoco la. Phela ngide mfati la ngiphekelako. So guys, ilanga lami leli plus nalokupheka ke, plus nalokuthi kusafuna ngiyo-revise because I had incoming test. Anyway guys, bye bye.